नमस्ते, मैं हूँ ऋतुपर्णा सिन्हा। कोलकाता, वेस्ट बंगाल, इंडिया में रहती हूँ। मैं एक हाउस वाइफ हूँ। इस्टेब्लिश होने के लिए मैंने बहुत काम ढूंढ रही थी, बट कर नहीं पाई। बिकॉज़ एक हाउस वाइफ होने के नाते मुझे घर संभालना, बच्चे को देखभाल करना पड़ती है, इसलिए बाहर जाके काम करना मुश्किल हो जाती है। एक दिन कविता नायर मैम ने मुझे ऑन पैसिव के बारे में जानकारी दी है। उसकी बात सुनकर मुझे ऐसे लगा कि ये एक फ्रॉड है। कुछ काम के बिना इस दुनिया में कभी किसी को पैसे मिली है क्या? फिर भी उनकी बात मानकर मैंने हिंदी बंगाली वेबिनार अटेंड किए थे। तब मुझे पता चला कि मैं गलत हूँ। ऑन पैसिव इस दुनिया की सर्वश्रेष्ठ कंपनी है। तब मैंने 30 सितंबर 2020 में ऑन पैसिव की फाउंडर बनी हूँ। पैसे तो हर इंसान कमाना चाहते हैं, मैं भी पैसा कमाना चाहती हूँ। उसके बाद मेरे मन में एक इच्छा है। मेरे घर के आसपास बहुत गरीब लोगों की देखा जाता है। उन लोगों को पहनने के लिए कोई अच्छे कपड़े नहीं होते। हर दिन हर महीना भूखा रह जाता है, भीख मांगती है, फिर भी कुछ नहीं मिलती। उन लोगों को देखकर मुझे बहुत रोना आता है। मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि शायद मेरे पास बहुत सारे पैसे होते तो मैं उन लोगों को सहायता कर सकती, पर अब मुझे मौका मिल रही है। सिर्फ 2 इंसान की वजह से मुझे इतनी सुंदर प्लेटफॉर्म मिल रही है। वो है मेरे आप सीनियर कविता नायर मैम और मेरी आप लीडर गौतम नस्कर सर। थैंक यू सो मच बोथ ऑफ सर एंड मैम। आप दोनों की वजह से मेरी ज़िंदगी में इतनी बड़ी सक्सेस मिल रही है। अब मैं सारी इच्छाएं पूरी कर सकूंगी। आप दोनों ने मिलकर मेरी पूरी ज़िंदगी को एक अच्छी ढंग से सजा दी है। अब मैं उनको भी रिगार्ड्स देना चाहूँगी जिनके लिए मेरी जैसी हाउस वाइफ को इस्टेब्लिश होने की मौका मिली है। वो है हमारी कंपनी के CEO मिस्टर ऐश मुफर सर। थैंक यू सो मच। प्रणाम।
नमस्कार, मेरा नाम है पौलमी मुखर्जी और मैं हूँ कोलकाता से। मैं एक स्टूडेंट हूँ और मैंने ऑन पैसिव ज्वाइन किया अक्टूबर 2020 को। और यहाँ ऑन पैसिव के जितने भी सारे फाउंडर मेंबर्स हैं उनको मैं यही कहना चाहती हूँ कि ऑन पैसिव एक ऐसी कंपनी है जो आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस को लेकर काम कर रही है। पहली बार दुनिया में एक ऐसी कंपनी आई है जो AI के ऊपर काम कर रही है। और AI जो है वो दुनिया की फ्यूचर है, तो इसलिए मैंने ऑन पैसिव ज्वाइन किया। और सबको मैं यही कहना चाहूँगी कि हम सभी बहुत ही भाग्यशाली हैं जो यहाँ पर हमें काम करने का मौका मिला। इतनी बड़ी प्लेटफॉर्म पर हमें काम करने का मौका मिला और सब लोग साथ में काम करेंगे, साथ मिलकर आगे बढ़ेंगे और दूसरों को भी आगे बढ़ाएंगे। दुनिया को एक नया रूप देना है ऑन पैसिव के ज़रिए। तो ऐसे ही सब लोग आगे बढ़ते रहेंगे। We are in it to win it.
Occupied because all throughout my life I'm a social loving person. I love people, and after that when I got totally cut off after the job, I had to sit at home. So initial 2 years was little difficult, and after this all these things started. My son got married, so got busy in preparation, all that. So time has just passed, and I was looking for some opportunity in the meantime. That during my college days in Pune, we were connected to a lot of social activities. We used to go to hospitals and orphanages over there and do a lot of social activities, because of which I was very involved in all the social activities, the co-curricular activities and all that. So I was awarded a best girl all-rounders award. It was a gold medal. I was awarded from my college in Pune, and but after I got married and I had my family and the job, but I was still with the Rotary Club. It's a part of Rotary International, and from there we used to be getting the projects that you have to take, you have to adopt a certain village and you have to do some development work over there, like you have to carry on the medical camps, the health checkup camps, the pulse polio and all that. Those I was actually very much busy in all that because I had a passion of doing something for the society, and which I could not do much because of a lot of things, a lot of my occupation and plus the family. So I could not take much of my time out. I did not have so much of spare time. Anyway, my interest was always there that I have to do something for my society. I have to give back to the society which has taken care of me all these years. So it is my duty to give back to the society whatever I can, a little bit. So I was always interested in that. But somehow this passion of mine could not be fulfilled because I did not have the enough resources which is required, basically required. Your time, talent and treasure all are required to fulfill these kind of activities, these kind of dreams. And but within my heart I knew that I have to do something. And right now I am 62 years old, and I don't know when the call will come and I have to leave this place and go to my heavenly abode. So before that I want to do something for the society, and when this opportunity came through a brother of mine, Mr. Ashish Das, he sent me one video, and then later he sent me a webinar link, and he asked me to listen to the webinar link and give my feedback to him. So after I heard it, I really liked it because this is something to do with technology, which I know is had there been no technology in this pandemic season, then we could not have taken care of ourselves the way we could do because of the technology, because of all these facilities we had. So technology had a very big role to play in our day-to-day life. So we are into it. We cannot say we will not be a part of. We have to utilize it in our day-to-day life, and it has actually helped us facing this pandemic period without much of difficulty because we were getting everything online. We were doing financial transaction online. We are doing net banking. We are ordering groceries and vegetables and whatever household requirement, we are ordering online and we are getting them right at the door. So this has happened because of the technology. Otherwise, it could not have been possible. Had it been earlier days, the things would have been really, really tough. So I knew that yes, we have to be with whatever is coming on our way. We have no choice. It's not a choice. It is a must for all of us to adapt and move forward along with it. So when this opportunity came, and at the same time I thought of my social commitments, what happened to that? It was getting sidetracked because of lack of resources, lack of time, whatever. So when this opportunity came, I really thought, my God, somebody can think of it. Somebody is doing God's job. It is Lord's commandment that we should all, while we are on this earth, we have to do for our society. We have to take care of those who are in need. We have to take care, so that because we are blessed people, we have enough. Whatever is there, it's not very less. We can survive with that. But along with that, we have some responsibilities towards the society. So when Mr. Ash Mufarez, I heard a video of his, and I was thinking, my God, this gentleman is not only a visionary, he is a missionary. And that actually has taken me, by this thing, the surprise that how can somebody is thinking like this, and he is actually doing it. He's not even thinking, he's not only thinking, he's actually doing it. He's bringing it very much in the platform that we will be able to do for society, will be able to do for people. We had already been desiring to do it for quite some time now. So when the opportunity came, I just grabbed it. I said, nothing doing, I am just going into it. And I took the foundership in January 2021. And after that, I've been following most of the webinars I've been attending. I'm gathering knowledge. I'm listening to my LC members and really, really awesome people, Mr. Guruswinder Singh Dhillon, and just Jaspal Singh Jassi, all of them, all the great leaders in our team. Mr. Ashok Das is there, and Mr. Gautam Hajra, and Chiranjit Bhuiya, they all are there, and they have been supporting me, they have been helping me. Mr. Ghost, I'm sorry, not Mr. Gautam Hajra, Mr. Gautam Nashkar and Mr. Chiranjit Bhuiya and Ashish Das. They are my brother kind, and they have been helping me to gather the knowledge. They're keeping me updated every now and then. They're sending me the links, because of which I'm able to attend to the webinars, listening to the leaders, great leaders. And I'm really moved. I'm really looking forward to when this corona will get over and On Passive will be landing on planet Earth. It is already there, but it has to land. It has to land, and then it has to take off. It has to take off with a boom. It has to take off, and once it takes off, we are a part of it. So globally, we are a part of it. I'm so proud to be a part of this global venture of Mr. Ash Mufare. And since it is his vision that there should not be any person below the poverty line, or the poverty from the entire face of the earth will be wiped out because of this. Everybody will be having more than sufficient overflowing riches that they will be able to take. Their poverty in days to come will not be there at all from the face of the earth. It is going to be totally wiped out, and this is something very, very heart touching, and very, very very, very rocking science. It's a rocket launcher. Basically, he's actually launching a rocket. He's not launching he's not doing the soft launch or the hard launch. He's actually launching the rocket of On Passive on this on the face of this earth. So I'm really, really very excited. I'm looking forward to Corona to leave and this On Passive to launch with the great boom, and I will be a part of it. I will have whatever I can do through Obless or otherwise also I will be doing. That is my determination and will to do, and go ahead along with with everybody, all my founder members, all my family, that big community. I'm a part of it, and I would love to be involved with people. I would love to socialize with them. I would love to have the entire universe as my family. I'm really looking forward to it. I'm so excited. I cannot explain it to you how excited I am. Thank you so much for giving me this opportunity to come in front of you and share whatever I could, my status or whatever, my desires of my heart along with you. Thank you so much. So the last but not the least is the tagline of our company. We are in it to win it. We are very much in it to win it. Of course, yes, 100%. Thank you.